I'm John Wellenkamp with Morrow Brothers Ford. I'm the general manager, secretary of the corporation. We're located in Greenfield, Illinois, and we've been in business, a Ford dealer, since 1915. We have the need for a welding position here at Morrow Brothers due to our upfitting side of the business, where we install truck equipment. We hold numerous state contracts and commercial contracts where we do in-house upfitting for the client, so it's a turnkey ready vehicle when they get it. So with the installation of a lot of this equipment, we are required to weld on the trucks and weld on the bodies, so therefore we wanted a welder that had the knowledge, the background, and the training to fulfill that position. The challenges of finding someone is an uphill battle. Whether it be you put an ad on social media, put an ad in the newspaper, have a lot of people apply, not so many with the credentials to fulfill the job. So we've partnered with Midwest Tech to find someone that could fulfill the need and to learn additional trades as they went along. After the initial meeting and speaking with the welding instructor, he suggested that he would send me some qualified candidates. I think it was within 3 to 4 months of the initial meeting, sent me some candidates that were graduating, and noticed the young man that we hired, Titus, was located in Jacksonville, so it'd be a short drive for him. Met him, had a very good personality, the willingness to learn, and was highly recommended by the instructor. So,
my name is Titus, and the program I took at MTI was the Journeyman Welders 1 program. I chose welding because I wanted to work with my hands. That drew me over there, and then I started doing it and found that I was really good at it and I enjoyed it a lot. I was trying to figure out a very cost-effective and location-based place to go to school because I didn't want to have a giant commute of 2 hours plus, and I didn't want to go and take out a loan or spend a whole bunch of money on school. I saw MTI and me and my buddy both signed up, kind of as a commitment together over a phone call. We set up a tour date and then went through, and I almost instantly fell in love with how giant the shop was and just the amount of tools and the equipment that you could use. The instructor, Steve, who did most of the pipe fitting, he kind of helps people get located into jobs, and when I was talking to him, he brought up Morrow Brothers in Greenfield, and I'm like, that's pretty close to where I live. I'd like to give that a shot. I got a call from Morrow Brothers, so I came over just to give them my resume, just to see if they wanted it. And an interview started right then and there, and I was not ready for it, but I think I did pretty good. My primary responsibility within Morrow Brothers is overseeing welding installations on dump trucks, most beds, just any bracketry or fabrication that needs done. I kind of go through that, and then either I help them or I do it myself. I make sure welds are clean. I do everything in my power to produce the best material possible for this company because they've given me such a grand opportunity, and I feel so lucky that I was chosen to go here.
the partnership with MTI has granted us the ability to find candidates that have the skill set and the mindset to do the job. It has made it somewhat of an easier task for us to achieve and find people, and it's really opened the door to more opportunities to find additional candidates as we continue to grow.
The training that I got at MTI really helped prepare me for the vast hurdles and jumps I'd have to make in the field of welding. They went into depth through all different welds with flux core, stick, MIG, TIG. They really teach you everything they can about every aspect of welding.
You know, with working with an instructor, what you're going to get. It's not to say that they're going to know everything. You still will have to work with them and mold them to what you need, but overall they have the mindset, the skill set, and the ability. They just need guidance on how to do the job. Any employer that is looking to partner with someone, they need to strongly look at MTI. The reception from everybody there for us has been outstanding. Questions answered, information provided to us. The instructors have been forthcoming, a very welcoming approach. In today's day and age, you've got to look outside the box. So that's where partnering and sponsoring students to then have them come to work for you under a contract, I believe is where we're at. So I would strongly suggest to any employer that's thinking of partnering with MTI, they should move forward with it.
The partnership with Morrow Brothers and MTI, it really just helped me set myself up for success, because financially I didn't think I was going to be able to make it with student loan debt, but thanks to Morrow Brothers, then I got that wiped clean, helping me pay that off. I can financially set myself up and save my money so I won't have to worry about the future.
The world needs people that understand mechanics and working with your hands, whether it be on an automobile or welding a piece of pipe. The infrastructure goes on in the world. So students really need to look at that and see what economic benefit for themselves. And right now, all of those trade type jobs, all the employers are looking for and are paying premium money and will sponsor their education. It's a win-win, you know, and you're done in 6-8 months versus 4 years. Who wouldn't want to do that?